Hello everyone. We had a lot of snow in Chicago yesterday and today. 2 snowstorms in a row. We left quite a few inches. But it was no sweat for me because my snow blower worked just fine. I had to pile up on the side of my long driveway all this snow next to the fence so I can take the car out. There was no sweat because my snowblower worked like a charm. And you're like a charm, the Sno Tek by Ariens, because at the end of the last season I installed a CleanCarburetor Kit on it on the bottom of the carb. You remove the main retaining screw and you replace it with the clean carbureted purge valve. Through that purge valve, you purge the remaining gas and ethanol at the end of each season and leave the carburetor in like a new condition for the next season. For more information and where to order it from, visit us at www.cleancarburetor.com.